All right, so I'm going to show you how I made $1,800 from one YouTube video this month in the last 30 days. This is my affiliate strategy revealed. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is show you proof. So you know that I'm not just leading off by theory and I'm recycling some other YouTube video that I watched and I'm like, that was a good topic. They got a lot of views, so I'm going to try to make a video on that. No, that's not what I do here. I actually show you and teach you from real results what I do in my business to go and make money with affiliate marketing and YouTube every single day. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. I'll show you proof immediately, right? So I'm in my Warrior Plus account. We can go in here. I'll go to dashboard to show you that we're actually logged in, right? So we're over here at $1,500 right there. This month, we can go over here, go in the last 30 days. We're almost at $4,000 in the last 30 days, which is great. We make money on a daily basis with this business as well. And I can come over here into my dashboard right here and just show you right here, Warrior Plus this month, $1,452 right there. Yesterday, $452 right there. Last 7 days, tracking $2,200 this month right there. We're halfway through the month right there. And the last 30 days, over $9,000. And this is just tracking affiliate marketing income in my business right here. This is hooked up and it auto syncs with any commission that I get, any commission notice that I get, it comes in there, right? So we come through here, I go into affiliate, I go into stats over here, and I'll just show you, we'll break this down. So I'll go right here and I'll go in the last 30 days, right? In the last 30 days of my business, what did I do? What product sold the most and so forth, right? And the entire premise of this video is to show you that you can create one video and just this technique that I'll be showing you, it works, even just putting out one video right there. So it probably takes about 2 hours to put the entire thing together. I'm going to show you how to build a bonus in this video. I'll show you how many of you ask, like, here's the strategy, but you don't show us specifically. Well, I'll show you exactly what to do in this video. Okay. So we have this RIMS 9 newsjacking right over here. You can see, and we could go and make case studies on all these other ones. Look at this, all these different products we're making money with. But right here, RIMS 9, we made $1,824 right here, almost a 40% conversion rate, which is nuts. Sales, 73 total sales from just 188 clicks, right? So this is extremely high converting affiliate marketing. We are not talking about 1,000, 10,000 clicks or anything like that. We're talking about measly 188 clicks led to 73 sales and $1,800 right there on $25 average sale. Okay, so that's the proof. Now let me show you the video. What video did we actually create? Well, we come over here to one of my other channels, right? It's called Learn Wire. We have almost 21,000 subscribers right there, 943 videos. Been doing this like clockwork for the last 5 years. We'll come through here and you can see we average 4 uploads per week. We don't skip a beat. When you start seeing at my views, you'll be like, how does this guy make this much money with so little views? And that is why my technique, it works really, really well. Okay. And I teach my technique right here inside of my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator School program. There'll be a link below. You can go check this out if you want to sign up. We recently reduced the cost of this to just $99 per year. I think that brings it down to like $8 per month. You get live coaching calls with me. You get hundreds of hours of affiliate marketing training. I share all my wins. We have other community members in there that share what's working for them as well. It's a really, really great place to be. The classroom, you've got everything you need over here. I've got all my custom GPT bots. I'll be using one of those and showing you one of those in this video right over here. We have a full launch jacking course, and this is pretty much the technique that I'm using to make these commissions. We have a YT affiliate blueprint, full-blown course about YouTube and affiliate marketing. All the calls right there. And just it's exceptional YouTube affiliate training, none like it. So this is the video. We scroll down here, we start looking at some of these videos, right over here, and then just come down and we see this one over here, RIMS 9 review, newsjacking, complete walkthrough and bonuses, right? Looks less than 700 views. We open that bad boy up and you can see that this is the video. Nothing special. I'm using the same software that I use to create like the one that I'm using for this recording right now. I'm using that on that other channel. Look, and it's pretty decent. I mean, I just have a little webcam right there, a little background, and nothing special. And I don't even think I moved my camera, look, because the video was kind of long, not really 15-minute video, but I didn't do any video editing. I did not, move the camera around. And I try to do that a little bit more on this channel to just create a little bit more engagement. But in this case, straight up, I did not do anything, no video editing, nothing else. But what you'll see right here is that we lead off, and I have a very specific way that I train you and teach you how to do affiliate reviews, software reviews, product reviews inside of my school community. Okay. And so there's a technique, right? And I go through the technique and I just show you. And then right here, very, very important. I lead off by giving a really, really good bonus, almost like a no-brain offer where, I mean, literally getting into this course right here, it's $1,000 course that really will help skyrocket things. If you can create a custom GPT using ChatGPT, right? Or create your own custom software and give that away as bonus, or you can do something that just goes the extra mile and almost create a mini product for yourself and give that away as a bonus. It really, really helps people along the way because they feel like they're getting even extra value, and it helps them take that risk of buying that product, because even if they end up not liking the product for some weird reason, they get your bonus, and your bonus is worth more than the purchase of the front end product itself. So that's really, really a technique, right? So 700 views basically, right? We come down here and you'll see I had a link right over here directly to the product page, and I would track this by calling it like video 1. And then we'd come over here and you could click on this, and this was the actual bonus page right here where people could go and see, okay, this is David's Rims 9, bonus page. And if they click this link right there, they also would go and be taken over to the sales page, and they can make a purchase. So we gave these bonuses away right here. And that is literally a bonus page. So that's very, very important. Okay. So that's the video. And then I'm going to continue on with the strategy. Okay. So what you would do is, a long story short, let's just go and I'm going to kind of walk you through, because somebody was asking me, well, you don't teach exactly what you do. Well, I'm going to teach you that in about 3 minutes. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to go to the site called Muncheye, and you're going to come down here and you're going to find what is working or what's selling today. So it's May 13th. Let's just say we go right over here. I'm going to look for a Warrior Plus product. Funny Comics for Kids. It's a PLR product. Fire Cell. I don't really like those. Let's keep coming down here real quick. This one could be a good $1 million case study. We can come over here and see what this is all about. The AI GEO content right here. That could be good. We'll go take a look at the JV page, and then I will also go, because what I want to do is I want to look at this. Yes, it's SEO, it's AEO, like my audience likes that. So that would be good, but I'm going to go and click on to the request affiliate link. And once we get to this part right here, it's going to take us to the Warrior Plus page. Okay. So then we come over here to the Warrior Plus page. Looks like I do need to, okay, let me see. I am logged in, so it doesn't look like they even have their Warrior Plus. So this is a bad one right now. They're literally trying to write a launch in 1 day, May 11th. So they're having issues, right? So we're going to completely skip out of that, and we're going to come back over. I'm going to go back into Muncheye. I want to find a good one, right? So we're going to come through here, and there's a big one coming out. I'll just lead off with this: build apps with AI, and it's a JV Zoo offer. That's great. So we'll come through here. This is from a big vendor. This is going to be a massive launch. He's giving away like $10,000 in prizes. A lot of times you can come over here and just say, that's ridiculous, right? This is going to be a massive, massive launch right here. They'll easily do 6 figures on this launch, $100,000 or more on this launch. You can just see the quality, the crispness, the video right there. Everything just looks really good. So what you do is you go and you would request your affiliate link because it looks really, really good. So you'll just go over here and I'm just going to say get approved, and you're going to put a message in right there. I don't have to because I have a top 10% affiliate badge, which I usually get approved right away. Don't know if I'm going to get approved on this one, but we'll go ahead and check it out. So it'll take a little bit to get. A lot of the times at JV Zoo, and I've never sold this guy's product before, so I'm not on auto approve either. So that's really good. Now, a lot of times I'll like to go and create or look at the public profile and see what their public profile looks like. So this is going to be a new profile, right? It's a little risky. It's somebody else that's helping this guy launch right here, but you know what? It's definitely worth a try. Someone big is launching with this guy right over here, and so they even have somebody else's name. So apps built with AI. And so what you would do is you'd go over here, and I want to see if they actually have a product page. I'm going to click on that. You're going to go over to the product page and see what they have so far. So this is all they've got right here. It's not a whole lot. And so you could either take this page here, or it looks like they're leading off with a webinar, or you could come over here, back over here to the JV page, and you could kind of get more information about this as well. So then you could come up over here and you can also go to the funnel and then look for a JV page. I don't see an actual JV page. It's usually a JV document. But what we're going to do is we're going to go and just take what they have right here. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go over into my school community, and you get access to these GPTs inside of the school community. So we're going to go to the affiliate bonus builder right here. Okay. So you're going to go over here. I'm going to click in here, and we're going to open this up, because now we're going to go and use this custom GPT that I built that will help you to create a good bonus, right? And so I'm going to go like this. I'm going to paste this in right here, and you can also tell it more information if you want. You can say, hey, tell me some good bonus ideas that require me to record a Loom video or to create a document or whatever, right? But it just did this, and now we have 10 bonus ideas. The 100 profitable no-code app ideas vault, prompt to app. So we are not sitting here looking at a blank screen. We literally have some great bonus ideas that we can go out and create one. We can create 3. We can do whatever we want. But I'm gonna come through here, and it's gonna say the 3 bonuses that would be easiest and fastest bonuses are these ones right here. The 100 profitable no-code. You can just use AI to create that, right? Prompt to app built, a blueprint pack, or no-code app launch list. You can create those bonuses very fast. The 3 bonuses that would most help sell the offer are these: prompt to app, blueprint. And a lot of times I like to look and see if there's one that shows up right here and then also shows up as an easy. So then you've got a really good win, right? So this one's an easy one to create, and it's also what the AI is saying is probably one of the best ones you can create. So I would probably go on and just create this bonus right here. Okay. So it gives you those best bonus stack angle. And it's going to tell you position your bonuses like this. When you register through my link, I'll also give you my AI app builder fast start kit, including 100 profitable app ideas, copy and paste building prompts, and a 5K month bonus. So you could create all 3 of those as a bonus pack and call it this right here. Or if you don't have time and you already have some other bonuses in your library, then of course you could go in here and just create one bonus. Okay. So that's what you're going to do, guys. Okay. You're going to create your bonus. Once you have your bonus created, and I'll show you a new software, brand new software that I created. And here's one for a product that's coming out later on for me. And you can see this really nice bonus page. They're going to get $80 additional dollars. I don't like to say $5,000. You're getting $5,000 in bonuses. Like, that's just ridiculous, right? That's another secret. Put real world value. If your product is $15, if your bonus is worth $29, if it's worth $49, put that, okay? Stop lying to people and saying that your product's worth every little Google Doc that AI created is worth $500. It's not. Just be honest with people, and seem to be getting rewarded because for my honesty is that I don't lie to people, and they are happy to buy through my link because there's a know, like, and trust factor. Okay. So we're going to come through and I'll show you that again. So this is the bonus page, right? The Spy Academy niche. And I just did this yesterday. I created a brand new, fresh bonus that I'll be promoting this next week on one of my channels, right? And I'm going to give another bonus that I already created. Well, how do I create this really nice bonus page right over here? Well, it's this Bonus Forge software that I just created. And I'm logged into the software right now, and I'll show you. We can go and we can view our bonus library. We can add a new bonus, and you can just add your bonus, upload the image URL, put your real world value in there, assign it a category so it's always there. So this is a way that you can actually organize all your bonuses and everything right there. And you can save that to your bonus library, right? So then now you come in here and now you have an actual bonus library with all these bonuses in it, right? Okay. And so then what ends up happening is you go and you create a page, right? We go and create a new bonus page. We've got all these different styles that you can create in here right there as well. And then what you do is you go and you create one of these pages, right? You create this bonus page, and you just go down and you can, you add your bonus right here. Boom. Really cool. You create your page, and then you go to your pages right over here, right? And I've got this one over here. So that's where I went and I copied the page URL and the delivery URL. And that's what you're looking at. So here is what you're going to present to in your video. You're going to tell people, hey, go here and you're going to get this bonus, and you're going to get this bonus right here. And then you're going to come over here and there's going to be a delivery page, and someone is going to put in their address. So I'm going to say test 1, and I'll just put in my email address, and we'll say get that. And then they'll come in here and they'll actually have the bonuses right here that they can access, right? And so if they go and they click on this button here, it'll open up to that bonus. It's very nice and organized. There's been other softwares created like this, but I'm creating my dream bonus delivery software as well. Then we come back over here and I'll just show you the really cool part is that, and I'm not selling this. I'm not selling the software. This is just my own in-house software. And then what we can do is we can come down here and go to the leads, and you'll see that test 1 is right here. They came in because of this bonus right here. And I have my leads right here. I can go and export this and upload that that to any email automation software I hand. So now that's the power behind this that nobody tells you about. Now I can go and market the next time I promote a product and go through all these steps. I can actually email my list, right? So now you have your bonus. You're going to create your video. Okay. Now, if you want access to this, I'm going to be releasing this to only people that are members inside the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. If you want access to these pages right over here, and you want access to Bonus Forge right over here, then you do have to be a member. Like I said, it's $99 to join for the entire year. And now I'm going to be producing custom software for people that actually come in here, and you get a community, you get all the training, all the courses, you get the live group coaching calls, and then you also are going to get software as part of the membership, which is just ridiculous. Okay. So come and join my school community right now while we just lowered the price at the lowest price it's ever been at. So then you go and you create your video, right? And what I'm using is Tela right here. Tela right here. This is the software. I need to log out so I could actually show you it, but this is basically, it's Tela.tv. Go to Tela.tv and look, I'm not lying. Look at all these videos I'm creating. I've got 1 million videos in here, 221 videos right here. This is exactly what I'm using to record my videos. Okay. So you go and you record your video, you show what the value is of the product, you do a demo of the product, you show the bonus, and then that's it. You provide your link, right? Like I did right over here. I provided the link in the description. I pinned that. Then I provide the link right here in the description. And then I got results right here. This right here, almost $2,000 from the one video. So about 1 hour of work to create the video. Let's just say 2 hours total of work to create the bonus delivery pages, all that, and then record the video, edit the video, and you also edit your video in Tela as well. And then you go and publish your video. It really is a pretty dang simple business model and business strategy. But where people fail is that they give up, they go and they try to do something like this, and they don't get immediate results after, trying a couple of videos or something like that. And then they just quit and they move on to the next greatest thing. And then they look back 6 months in 6 month batches, right? That you come back in 6 months or a year and you wonder, and you're like, I wonder if I would have stuck with that YouTube affiliate strategy from David that he offered in that video, 8 months ago. If I would have stuck with that, where would I be at today? Okay. And so this has been working for over 5 years. I do this full time. It works. Come and join me in my school community. Link will be below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.